Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol SYRX. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this may look like several days worth of time right here, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like through this time frame. I think it does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price. And in this situation, makes mapping out a very logical question quite straightforward. And that question revolves around the fact that today was a good solid day. Sure, the price did pull back here a little bit, but even with that, where it closed today relative to, where it was yesterday, good solid day. But that does bring up the question, is there any sort of true power behind this movement? Is there any sort of genuine strength? Or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce type move? I have no idea, but like I said, by using charts, we can make answering that question very straightforward. And it really revolves around a single point. And to better illustrate that, I do want to squish the chart up here a little bit. And that single point, and yeah, that's why I love charts, makes things very straightforward, is right here at, what is that, 34 cents, excuse me, 34 cents. Why is 34 cents so important? Well, hopefully we can all agree on the logic that price movements with true power, with genuine strength, the price is going to progress forward, not go back to where it was. I'm assuming you're saying, hey, thanks, Captain Obvious. Of course, the price movement with true power is not going to go back to where it was. So with that being said, and with that kind of agreement in place, think about 34 cents. Any sort of closes below 34 cents, or worse yet, if the price separates to the downside, what is that doing to the price? That's putting the price right back within this range where it's been stuck for literally weeks upon weeks. Again, going back, not a sign of true strength. Whereas let's say the price pulls back here, bounces around, and then heads back up. What would you have in this situation? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have this set of lows down there. If you picture each one of these as stair steps, well, hey, you still have stair steps progressing the upwards direction, and that's what truly strong moves do, right? They make progress in the upwards direction as time goes by. So 34 cents, a very important level of support going into next week. Now, if the price does decide to start to bounce and wants to get back up into the 70s, let's talk about a couple potential areas of resistance. Initial area on any sort of bounce to keep an eye on, up there at 52 cents, and then after 52, right up there at, what is that, about 68 cents. So 52, 68, two key levels of resistance with any sort of bounce. But at the end of the day, as long as the price starts putting in higher lows, then the long-term chart is going to take care of itself. So like I said, any way you slice it, good day today. Now it's just a question of, can the bulls build upon this momentum going forward? We shall see. One of the most popular questions I get is, hey, Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together this free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then by all means, click right there to get access to the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and like I say, it is free. Thanks for watching. Have a good weekend.